The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. We've just installed the Retrax PowerTrax Pro XR. So this is on a short bed, 5-foot bed Tacoma. So the XR has additional tracks on the rails to allow for attachment of different accessories and racks. This one happens to be, again, the PowerTrax, which has a remote. So this does get wired into the truck, open, close, light. Let's go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and open her up. With the remote, you can stop it at any point, and it's locked in place. And we go fully open. There we go. Take a look inside. Hit the button for the light. Get some light in there. So yeah, a great fit on this truck. So it is a roll-up canister bed cover, so it is going to take up some of the bed. You can see here it actually rests just on top of that wheel well cutout. You do have to enlarge the drain holes on the floor in order for the tube and the wire harness to fit through. Not too big of a deal. Mounts by utilizing the already installed Retrax system. So you've got 4 connection points, one there, one in the back, same on the opposite side. Go ahead and close her up. So yeah, great cover, great weather protection and security for all your gear. And again, those tracks on the side allow you to connect different types of rack systems, something low like from Yakima Thule or Rhino, or if you want something taller, then Yakima has a great system that connects to that. So there you go, just a quick look at this system. Pretty slick. So yeah, for more details, pricing, and availability, click the link on the description below. That'll take you back to our website for more pictures, video, pricing, all that good stuff. And you can see the instruction manual where you can see what's involved with the install, see if it's something you want to tackle. So yeah, that's just a quick look at this Toyota Tacoma, and this should fit quite a few different year models. We should have the title with the year range down below or in the description, so check that out to see if it fits your Tacoma. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.